Hi, this is Winnie Anderson. I'm here with Dr. Patricia Rapici. Trish is a physical therapist currently practicing in Woodbine, New Jersey, and I am grilling her about all things related to physical therapy, how we can fight aging, remain mobile, etc. So, Trish, one of the things that I would like to ask you about is your treatment setting. How is your treatment setting different from others?
Well, my treatment setting is way different. First of all, you're in a room with me, and that's it. We're the only two people in the room, which is very unusual in physical therapy settings. Usually, you're in a room with a bunch of other people, and there's a lot of distractions. In my setting, we're one-on-one. My focus is completely on you, and there are no interruptions. People don't come in to ask me a question about another patient. I'm not going off to check on another patient and leaving you doing what you hope you're doing right. You're not out in the middle of the gym exercising with other people. It's completely private. No one's asking you questions about your problem. And the focus that we have allows us to progress in a better fashion, I believe. For example, you're not handed off to another assistant or to an aide. You're with me, so I know everything that you've done, I know everything that you feel, and you're not passed between other physical therapists. Again, every time you come in, you see me, so I know where you left off last time, I know where you can go on your next visit, and I really think that makes for a more seamless progression and also a quicker progression, because there's no getting up to speed with another person. I know where you came from. My setting is also different in that I don't have any equipment there. It's not that I don't feel that equipment is important or equipment is, not useful, because there's a lot of good pieces of equipment. But I can't see why you would want to pay me to watch you work out on a piece of equipment. I mean, it doesn't really make sense. Besides which, I want to teach you and give you what you need to perform your activity anywhere. We have busy lives, we travel, we have company, we work, we do all these things, and the less that you have to worry about having with you, the more consistent you'll be with your program.
Yeah, and I can really attest to that because, as you know, I travel a lot. And I've got enough stuff to schlep with me, but all I have to do is throw my stretchy bands in my bag, maybe have a little free weight, maybe I've used cans out of the cabinet to do exercises, and I've done my stretches actually working with clients. We've been working together, and I just go ahead and start stretching, and they're completely fine with it.
Yeah, and not to say that if you like equipment, I can't instruct you on what would be good for you to use or make up a program for you at the gym. I'd be happy to do that. But in general, people really don't necessarily want to go to the gym, and my point is that you don't have to go to the gym to get fit or stay fit.
Right. I think the other big thing that I liked, and my husband liked, was that concept of it's just you and me. The first time I went for therapy somewhere, it was shocking that it wasn't my appointment. I thought it was my appointment. No, it's everybody's appointment at that time. And yeah, at some point you really like to think it is all about you, and you would like to get that person's undivided attention.
Yeah, you get more done.
Yeah.
You get more accomplished.
Great. Okay, thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Oh, let's talk about hours, because that's an issue too. People want to get well, but of course I want to get well on my schedule. So how about are your hours flexible?
My hours are very flexible. I don't mind working evenings. I don't mind working holidays. I don't mind working weekends. So I work with the patient, in that regard, and we get a mutually agreeable schedule, and it is really flexible.
Excellent. That's great. Thanks. So, again, this has been Winnie Anderson with Dr. Patricia Rapici, physical therapist currently practicing in Woodbine. And if you would like to get more information about restoring your mobility, taking charge of your health, fighting aging, you want to visit restoremobilitynow.com, get the additional video and additional information that Trish has there for you. Thanks.